Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is of immense pleasure to stand before you on this auspicious occasion of annual day celebration of Brilliantry English School. In the eminent presence of our esteemed guests, respected trustees, well-wishers, parents, teachers, I am extremely thankful to each and everyone who has assembled here to witness the event to be held in this connection. Your presence will definitely grace the occasion and boost up the morale of students and the teachers. It gives me immense pleasure to announce that the students of this school are not only scholar in academic, but also they are excellent in sports, in games, and in co-curricular activities. My constant endeavor with the help of dedicated team will be to facilitate the school in providing conducive academic atmosphere, enabling the children to translate their dreams into reality. My whole team's commitment is quality education. We believe to recognize brilliance in the every student, and this will remain the motto of each team member of Brilliant School. We are approaching third year. Time truly flies. There were challenges and disappointments in the beginning part of the year, but we all had lessons to be learned. While the passage was tough, the end of the struggle will be satisfying. Each year lays the foundation for the ideas and improvement in the year to come. Our focus this year will be on increasing our level of responsibility and accountability. In all of these efforts, we will need our parents to partner with us at all levels. After all, holistic education is our common goal. I must sincerely thank each stakeholder for their unrelenting support and hope that they will continue this support in coming years. The school has carved a niche for itself among the cluster of educational institutions in the town and will continue to spread its wings far and wide. The coming year is promising and defining year. So it is time to move on. May the force be with us as we go on. Here I have some announcements. Announcements are like this. From next academic year, we are planning to start a day school. अगले साल से हम डे स्कूल चालू करने का प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं. We also plan to begin a play house. अगले एकेडमिक ईयर से प्ले हाउस भी चालू करने का प्लानिंग है, जिसमें एज क्राइटेरिया 2 to 3 years, 2 या 3 साल के बीच के बच्चों को एडमिशन मिलेगा. As you know that our first standard students will come in standard 4. So for them, standard 4th also is going to be started in the next academic session. As you know that we required some rooms. So management has decided to construct new rooms and the construction will begin in the April month. Here I promise that whatever problems you have faced in the past years, you will not face those problems. I also declared that next year we will be having burden-free. It is real burden-free education. As you know that many children, when they are going to school, they are carrying very big bags, lot of books, lot of notebooks. But this year we are putting this concept burden-free in real sense, not only so-called. And also I promise that next academic year will be quality education year. And I also say that we will have staff stability too. मैनेजमेंट स्कूल को बहुत ही आगे ले जाना चाहता है, आप जानते हैं कि लोग अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए राजकोट, अहमदाबाद, बड़ौदा या कहीं और भेजते हैं, बट वी आर प्लानिंग दैट आप सबको अब ये प्रॉब्लम फेस नहीं करनी पड़ेगी। ऐसा ही एजुकेशन जो बड़े सिटी में होता है, सेम एजुकेशन आई से बेटर देन दैट विल गिव इन ब्रिलियंट रे इंग्लिश स्कूल। लेकिन इसके बदले में हमें आपका साथ और सहकार चाहिए, और आपने आज तक जो हमारे पर भरोसा किया है, भरोसे को कायम रखने का प्रॉमिस चाहिए। आई नो डैट यू आर ईगरली वेटिंग फॉर नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम, सो आई विल नॉट बी अ हर्डल इन दैट। जस्ट आई से वन सेंटेंस एंड आई विल कंप्लीट माई स्पीच। अब तक जितने भी प्रोग्राम आपने देखे हैं और जितने भी प्रोग्राम देखेंगे, ये सब हमारे बच्चे एवं पूरी ब्रिलियंट ट्रेड टीम उनकी मेहनत का ही नतीजा है। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू, क्लैप्स फॉर देम, दोज हु हैव पुट देयर एफर्ट्स इन दिस प्रोग्राम। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद।